Hi students, so for the practical part on Google Sheets on the unit 2 data controller, okay, so you can just access back to the file that I give, okay, for example this one, and then you will have one file that shows something like this, okay. So you will have some button that shows is only to view only. So what you need to do first thing first is to press on the word of file and then go for make a copy, and you can make your own copy from here, okay. So when you get this copy of yours, you can first thing first check out on the challenges that I shared to you on the right side. So if you see, you have until challenge 6, and let's go through it one by one, okay. So let's they ask you to select the whole table first, okay. What you can do over here is to press the first part, okay, move to the last one, hold your shift and press the last one, or you can just directly press and drag it, okay. So with that, you have already selected the box. Directly go for create a filter. If you don't have this create a filter, it might be inside of the 3 dot that you are having on the right side. So right here we are having the sort buttons, okay. So let's have a look on the task they ask you to do. You have selected the whole table, and now you need to have sort the city column A to Z. So please go towards city column and choose A to Z, and you will have it arranged following alphabetic. So over here, the question, which city is at the top? So you're going to go back towards the city and choose Boston, because Boston is the top. So just write Boston. And which city is at the bottom? Please go towards the bottom and you will see New York. Okay, so next one, they ask you to sort Z to A. So the same thing, but now you are under product name. So let's go for the product and then choose Z to A, and you will have it arranged. So you have done on that and tick it. And next question, which product moved to the top? So you will have you can copy and paste, or you can just directly rewrite it, okay. Which product is the last? Will be Arrowwood, okay. So next one, find the cheapest item. This is quite tricky. They ask you to move it smallest to largest, but now in term of numbering, numbering. So what you're going to do is to go for unit price and change it again to sort A to Z. It will directly change for you smallest to largest. Now you will have it arranged. Next one, the question, what is the cheapest item? So you're going to check on cheapest item, which is the potato chip. Okay, so alright, the question here is which product is it? So sorry, we're going to move that one towards here, and the unit price we're going to move on top. Okay, so now it's a challenge for you. You can try number 4, number 5 and number 6.